My name is Dr. Insaf working as an Associate Professor, Department of English, Qaidam University of Engineering Sciences and Technology, Nawabshah. And right now I am serving as a Chairman, Department of English since 2018. Well, actually, those candidates who are willing to sit in the competitive exams, particularly the CSS and PCS exams, what they need to do in this context is they have a special organization of essay they need to learn it. Uh, Usually what people do, they do not write too much, they only read and listen, but essay writing comes with the preparation, number one. And then what you write is make a good teacher to assess it. If you have a very fine person to assess and examine your writing skills, then he can teach you the various tips for it, that what is the essay breakup, what is introduction, what is the body, what is conclusion, what outline one have to make into an essay. So this is not a one day game to achieve, this actually a long process to follow. I believe that those who are interested to improve their English skill in such an extent to sit in the competitive exams, they must try to remain in touch with those who have already passed these exams, number one. Or number two, the best example is to read the articles written in the Dawn newspaper, for example, the news. Nowadays, the world become a very global village. You can Google everything while sitting in the room. You see, try to read the article of different kind of scholars, what the subjects you opt actually. So, and then you write by your own and try to compare them what you are lacking behind. So, if this process follow, then definitely one can improve his writing skills, particularly in essay and essay.